Okay, so thanks for joining me in my garden tour. Now I'm going to give you a little tour of the orchard and show you how I use a retractable hose reel to water my trees. And I have some limitations with that. The furthest distance from my watering is 124 feet. And my current hose will only go a little over 80 feet. So I'll only show you how far I can get with the current hose. So this is the distance that I can reach with my current retractable hose. And as you can see, I've got about another 40 feet or go to reach the rest of my trees. So at this point, what I have to do is go get an additional hose, take off my sprayer, connect another hose so that I can reach the other trees and to be able to water them. So excited when I saw that Vego now had a retractable hose that can reach up to 130 feet. Will make my job much easier. Now I'm going to solve my hose problem with this beautiful new Vego retractable reel set that has a 130 foot reach. They also have a 100 foot reach as well. But because when you have 17 acres, you got a lot of area to cover, and when you don't have irrigation everywhere, it's nice to have a retractable hose. So you're going to drag hoses around, but when you don't have to put them back and roll them up every day. All my Vego beds are the olive green, and I love that color, so love this. And because I have this mounted on the front of my house, I have a green roof. It's going to look really nice. So just show how easy to mount the new hose. Reel comes with a 6-foot leader hose. This new Vego hose reel also comes complete with quick connects for the hoses. So if you want to change it out and put a sprinkler on, like I use the little sprinkler for my trees, so I can put the quick connects on here. I've got it connected to the leader hose. I've got one connected here to my faucet. Snaps on. Then I will connect the one to the sprayer. That also comes with a nice thumb control. And then lastly, the quick connect that goes on the end of the hose. Screws on. And then quick connect. All right, snapping, no leaks, way to go. All right, let's see how far we can get with this bad boy. This is perfect. I can get all the way to the edge of my orchard. If you've got 30 plus trees like I have in my orchard, I don't want to be walking around out here spraying each individual tree. It will take me 2 or 3 full days to reach every tree in the orchard. So I will be able to take this connector off. It's got a nice place here where I can turn the water supply off, put the quick connect off, take the sprayer out, and put my sprinkler on, and I'm in business. All I've got to do is gentle tug when I hear a click, and then I can walk the hose back. You don't want to let go of the tool of the hose and let it retract to itself, because it could damage either the spray nozzle or your housing, but it's just easy to walk it back. And then I'm done. I don't have to stand and roll up 130 foot worth of hose. Again, thanks Vego.